Hi, my name is Rahul, and today I am introducing Project Agent Q, delivering from SDLC to operations. As an AWS practice architect, I regularly interact with multiple AWS teams and customers on a day-to-day basis. Through these interactions, I've observed a critical gap in the current software development landscape. While there are many Gen AI SDLC products and IDE tools available in the market, none of them provide a true end-to-end story. Teams are constantly switching between different tools for development, deployment, and operations, losing valuable context at every handoff point. This fragmentation creates inefficiencies, increases the likelihood of errors, and significantly slows down the overall development process. I envisioned building a solution where users could leverage a single tool from a single place to handle both SDLC and operations seamlessly. Project Agent Q combines Amazon Q Developer CLI's agentic capabilities with Model Context Protocol servers to create the first truly unified SDLC to operations platform. This intelligent system orchestrates the entire software lifecycle through AI agents that understand and maintain context across development, deployment, and operational phases. Let me walk you through how this solution works across each phase of the software development lifecycle. Starting with the plan and design phase, our solution provides intelligent planning that sets the foundation for success. The system generates comprehensive technical design documents from user requirements using the AWS Knowledge MCP server, which ensures adherence to best practices and well-architected framework compliance across all 5 pillars: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, and cost optimization. The AWS Pricing MCP server provides real-time cost analysis and service recommendations, allowing teams to make informed decisions about architecture choices based on actual costs rather than estimates. The Diagram MCP server creates visual AWS architecture diagrams automatically, ensuring that technical designs are both comprehensive and easily understood by all stakeholders. The system doesn't stop at document creation. It automatically updates technical design documents to Confluence pages using Q Cli Agents and Confluence MCP, maintaining living documentation that evolves with project changes. This eliminates the common problem of outdated documentation that plagues many development teams. For project management, the platform creates Jira epics, stories, tasks, and bugs for the complete application lifecycle, establishing full traceability from requirements to delivery using the Confluence MCP server. This ensures that every requirement is tracked and nothing falls through the cracks. Moving to the development phase, Q Developer CLI agents demonstrate their true power by creating optimized back-end and front-end code that follows established patterns and organizational coding standards. This isn't just code generation, it's intelligent code creation that understands your specific architecture and requirements. The system generates unit tests and comprehensive test cases automatically, ensuring code quality and coverage standards are met from the beginning. This proactive approach to testing significantly reduces bugs and issues in later phases. GitHub integration is seamless through the GitHub MCP, which handles repository creation, code commits, and README generation while maintaining proper version control and documentation standards. The system can authorize Q as an automated reviewer for Git pull requests, performing intelligent impact analysis across code repositories and identifying potential issues before they reach production. In the DevOps phase, the platform generates modular, production-ready infrastructure as code using Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or CDK MCP servers. This code follows infrastructure best practices and security standards, ensuring that your infrastructure is both scalable and secure. The system creates comprehensive C/CD pipelines using the GitHub MCP server, implementing proper testing gates, security scanning, and deployment controls. Q Cli agents can trigger and monitor deployment pipelines, combining GitHub MCP, AWS EKS MCP, and AWS CLI for seamless execution. When issues arise during deployment, the system automatically detects, diagnoses, and fixes problems without human intervention. The operations phase is where Project Agent Q truly shines. The system proactively identifies root causes and troubleshoots issues using AWS CloudWatch MCP, EKS MCP, and AWS CLI. It implements automated remediation for common operational problems, moving from reactive to proactive operations management. Enterprise service management is handled through integration with ServiceNow MCP server, which creates comprehensive knowledge bases, automates incident creation, and manages change processes while maintaining compliance with ITIL standards. One of the most powerful features is intelligent incident management. The system performs similar incident analysis by tracing past incidents and their resolutions, dramatically reducing mean time to resolution by up to 60% through pattern recognition. This builds an organizational knowledge base automatically, ensuring that lessons learned are never lost. FinOps intelligence is provided through AWS Cost Explorer and Pricing MCP Server, delivering detailed cost consumption analysis. The system identifies orphaned and untraced services that cause unexpected bills, recommends savings plans and cost optimization strategies, and provides predictive cost modeling for future planning. Security governance is automated through AWS IAM MCP Server and related AWS MCPs, which identify security vulnerabilities such as untagged assets, misconfigured IAM users, and policy violations. The system implements automated security remediation workflows and maintains continuous compliance monitoring. The platform also serves as a continuous learning assistant, providing real-time information about new AWS services and features, offering contextual recommendations based on current infrastructure, and keeping teams updated with the latest AWS innovations and best practices. The results we've achieved are significant and measurable. This solution delivers a 60 to 70% productivity gain through intelligent automation at various levels. We've achieved a 60% reduction in deployment time and 40% fewer production incidents in our implementations. We've taken this solution to various AWS customers and internal teams, and the response has been overwhelmingly positive. Teams appreciate the unified approach and the elimination of context switching between multiple tools. After demonstrating this solution, we've been able to prove to customers that Q Developer CLI is superior to competitive products like GitHub Copilot, Klein, and Cursor. The key differentiator is our end-to-end capabilities that competitors simply cannot match. The technical architecture we built includes Q Developer CLI as the intelligent orchestration layer, a custom MCP integration layer for standardized context sharing, a context persistence engine that maintains workflow state across SDLC phases, and a custom rule engine with organization-specific rules for optimized agent decisions. We developed a sophisticated rule engine within Q CLI that allows organizations to define custom business logic, compliance requirements, and optimization parameters. This ensures AI agents deliver results tailored to specific organizational needs, security policies, and operational standards rather than generic responses. The challenges we overcame included complex external MCP integration with ServiceNow, GitHub, and Confluence, each with their own authentication and API complexities. We also had to design a flexible rule syntax that could handle complex organizational policies without overwhelming users while ensuring rule conflicts don't create system issues. Project Agent Q represents a fundamental shift in how we approach software development and operations. We've created AI agents that understand your entire technology stack and maintain context across every phase of the software lifecycle. Looking ahead, we're expanding the platform to support multi-cloud environments and integrating advanced AI capabilities like predictive analytics for proactive issue prevention and autonomous self-healing systems. The age of fragmented development tools is over. Project Agent Q proves that the future lies in intelligent orchestration that makes the entire software development and operations process seamless and efficient. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to discussing how Project Agent Q can transform your development and operations workflows.